Every year, India celebrates the beautiful festival of Holi to commemorate the triumph of good over evil by remembering the story of Lord Vishnu's Narsimha Narayan avatar and his victory over the demon Hiranyakashipu. The festival also commemorates Lord Krishna and Radha's divine love. This year's auspicious Hindu festival falls on March 8th. Holi, the Hindu calendar's second largest festival after Diwali, involves playing with colored powders and water. The celebration also includes the preparation of delicacies such as gujia and thandai. On this day, people pay visit to their friends and families and exchange sweets. The most famous Holi rituals are held in Braj regions, especially in places associated with Lord Krishna's life such as Vrindavan, Govardhan, Mathura, Gokul, Banaras, etc. One of the most popular Holi celebrations, for example, is the Latmar Holi in Banaras. In most regions, Holi celebrations last 2 days, beginning with Choti Holi or Holika Dahan and ending with Dulandi or Rangwali Holi. Well, coming back to the history, when demon Hiranyakashipu learned about his son Prahlad's devotion toward Lord Vishnu, his anger seemed to have no bounds. Angered by his arrogance and false pride, Hiranyakashipu tried to kill Prahlad several times. It was during one of his attempts to kill his son for his devotion towards Lord Vishnu. The god himself arrived and killed him. Lord Vishnu took the avatar of incarnation of Narsimha Narayan, half human, half lion, and killed the king. Lord Vishnu reincarnates himself to save mankind from going deep into miseries and to restore dharma in the world. On Holi, young kids are told the story of Prahlad and kids are guided how despite of being born in a demon clan, Prahlad chose the path of truth, honesty and good. Holi is also linked to Lord Shiva, one of the trinity god of Hinduism. When Parvati wanted Lord Shiva backed into the world from yogic meditation, she sought help from Kamadeva, the Hindu god of love. When the love god shot an arrow at Shiva, his third eye opened and burned Kamadeva. This infuriates Kamadeva's wife Rati and she performs asceticism for 40 days, following which Shiva understands his mistake and forgives him and gives him back his life. But now you must be wondering, why do we celebrate Holi with colors? So here's a story for that. On why people smear each other's face with colors, there is a popular story. As per Hindu mythology, Lord Krishna had a dark complexion and Radha was very fair. Krishna used to worry that Radha would not accept him due to his skin color. So he complained to his mother Yashoda about it. Yashoda ji playfully suggested that he smear the face of Radha with colors to remove any differences in their complexions. So Krishna applied gulal on the face of Radha. This is how the celebration of Holi began, and this is the reason why it is known as the Festival of Colors. Now people make the most out of Holi 2023, which might be the first Holi for several people after pandemic. Due to pandemic, several limitations were put in Holi celebration in order to contain the spread over the virus. However, the Holi celebrations rules were relaxed later. Many people still chose to not participate in the celebration. This year, indulge in the best Holi celebration and make it memorable. Happy Holi, everyone! Well, if you like the information, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to One India News.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.